guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell by the title, I have a BPerfect mystery box unboxing today. This is the second mystery box that I ordered by BPerfect. I have already done my video on my first mystery box that I ordered. This is the second. So I ordered this via TikTok. It was originally £66. It was £25 on TikTok, and then I had a coupon that automatically applied into my basket, making this £22 instead of that 25 with free shipping. So what I just wanted to do was hop in here, show you things in here, talk a little bit about them, and I guess kind of compare it to the other box, see if it's as good. It looks like this, and we have the products just there. So I'm going to get the products out, and then we will talk about them. In total we have 5 products. I'll do the exact same that I did in my previous video, which is showing you the small products, then I'll end with the larger product, which is a palette, which is here. So the first item we have is this, which is the BPerfect Lip Library, and this is a hybrid lip mask. Looks like that. I'm interested to see what this looks like, if it is a clear kind of formula. Looks like that. Okay, that's really cool. It has like a metal ball applicator, and swatching it, I don't know how well you'll see that, but swatching it, it does actually have a bit of pigment to it, and it's scented kind of fruity. She is out, but it does have a tiny bit of a pinky peach sort of pigment. Really like that applicator. So apparently this is a multi-use lip mask. It's infused with peptides, vitamin E and jojoba oil. Can be applied onto dry lips, and apparently it is a soft apricot peach colour, which I would agree with. So we have that. We then have this BPerfect Pencil Me In the Abyss Soft Kohl Eyeliner in the shade Abyss, I think it is. Not sure what colour this will be, if this will be a black eyeliner. Okay, so that does look like it's going to be a black eyeliner. Yeah, I don't tend to wear black eyeliner, although the applicator looks similar to the applicator that we had for the lip liner. But I might keep this actually, because I'm just looking at it and it looks like it would be a really nice application. So I'm going to swatch it. Yeah, that feels really soft. So whilst it's black, not a colour I tend to wear often, that is a really nice soft pencil, so I will hold on to this, and I guess it's quite handy to have. We then have this, which is the BPerfect The Cheek, and it is a liquid blush in the shade Bubblegum. Looks like that. I'm not going to open this or swatch this one, just because I have a couple of different blushes on the go, so I don't want to open this one until I've finished my other blushes. But it looks like it is a really nice bubblegummy kind of pink colour, which I like. I used to love bubblegum pink colours. Now I tend to prefer more of like a peachy sort of colour. I think it looks a little more natural, but we'll indeed use that. And then lastly, before discussing the palette, we have this, which is the Mini Empress Base and Body Brush. Looks like that. And I would just describe this as being a flat top stippling brush. Quite small, feels quite soft. I think you can never go wrong with having extra foundation brushes, especially brushes like this. I prefer this style of brush to apply a foundation. I could actually also use this with the bronzing drops that I got in the previous mystery box. That's quite good. Then the last product we've got is this, which is the BPerfect Harmony eyeshadow palette. It looks like that, and then on the back, that's what it looks like. So I will open it up to show you guys. So this is what the actual packaging looks like. Internal packaging is the same as the external. This is what the colours look like. Really nice warm tone browns we've got there. I think this palette is also super wearable, and what I'll do again is, because I am planning to keep this, I'm keeping all of the things in here. I will swatch a couple of these eyeshadows. So I will swatch this one right here, this pinky colour, this colour right here, which is called Abundance, and I would describe it as kind of like a burgundy colour. That's what it looks like, and then that's what it looks like swatched. And then I will swatch the colour next to Abundance, which is this one right here, which is called Peaceful, and that is looking like a really pretty orangey colour. Looks like that. And then swatched, looks like that. And We will do one glitter. We will do the glitter on the end, which is called In Love. So that is this one. That's what that one looks like. And then swatched. So they are some of the colours out of there. They feel very similar to the other palette, maybe a tiny bit more dry, but I think the pigment is really nice. I think this palette is quite approachable and I really like the packaging. I like how the mirror on this bends all the way back, so it's definitely a more flexible palette than some of the other palettes that I have. Just quickly to run over the products before I share my overall thoughts. So first product that we've got was the Lip Library Hydrated Lip Mask in the shade or the scent Ella with the metal applicator, and then swatched, looked like that. Has a light peachy colour and also a very nice artificial peach scent, which I like. Second product we got was the Pencil Me In eyeliner in the shade of this. Just a black gel eyeliner, swatched really nicely, felt really soft on the skin. I really like this applicator. I think this feels really soft, so we'll keep this. And we'll use this if I do decide I want to do black eyeliner. Then we got the Cheek, which is a liquid blush in the shade Bubblegum. Looks like that. Have a couple of blushes on the go, so I'm not going to open this right now, but really like that. Then we got the foundation stippling brush, looks like this. This is the mini Empress brush. We'll use this for foundation, or we'll use this for the bronzing drops that I got in the previous box. And then the last product that we got is the Harmony eyeshadow palette, a palette full of really lovely warm tone neutrals. And then swatched on my arm, swatched, we have Abundance, we have Peaceful, and we have that glittery shade, which is In Love. So there are 3 swatches. So my overall thoughts, I really like this mystery box again, which is super. I think this mystery box is really good. I actually think I might slightly prefer this mystery box to the other mystery box, just because I prefer the palette in this. I love that we got a brush. I love that this smells like peaches. And I love the fact that we got a blush. I'm more of a blush wearer than a bronzer wearer. The only thing that I don't love is the fact that we got an eyeliner in the shade black. However, I understand why it's black, because black is a colour that a lot of people tend to wear. So I would have personally preferred if we gotten a brown eyeliner. However, I fully get that a lot of people do wear black eyeliner, and when it's a mystery box, you're not necessarily going to know. Same way the people packaging the box aren't necessarily going to know. But the application of this is really soft, and it is almost like a gel eyeliner, so I'm going to hold on to it, because I think if I was going to wear black, this would be the formula I would rather have in that black. And there are occasions I do wear black sometimes, it's just very rare. I typically gravitate towards brown. I really like this box. I might slightly like this box more than my other box actually. It's definitely a success. Again, this box cost me £22, was originally 25. I had a £3 coupon, £22, which I think is amazing value, especially on the palettes. Can be around that £20 mark on their own. You are pretty much getting these products for free in terms of that value. So to get them and like them is an added bonus, and I am excited to try some more things from a different brand, because I have never tried BPerfect. They are cruelty free, which is super. So I'm looking forward to trying a new brand and hopefully falling in love with a new brand. But off of first impressions from this mystery box and the other mystery box, my experience has been really brilliant with both those boxes, so I personally would highly recommend. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got one of these mystery boxes, let me know what you got in your box, let me know if you like it, and I will speak to you in my next video. So until then, goodbye guys.